A major storm potentially bringing significant impacts in the form of heavy snow and severe weather is looking increasingly possible next week. Weather models are picking up on a strong storm system moving into the southwestern United States early next week, spreading snowfall from the mountainous terrain all the way up through the central United States, Ohio Valley, and Northeast. There is still plenty of uncertainty about this storm, with the European model showing the snowfall going through a completely different area. Despite the uncertainty in the amount of snowfall and where it may fall, what's looking more concerning is a potential severe weather outbreak. Abnormally strong wind shear during the month of January looks to be present once again as we head into Wednesday and especially Thursday of next week. If you take the strong shear along with rich dew points and warm temperatures in the mid-60s and 70s, the chance of severe weather will rise. With that being said, here is my preliminary severe weather forecast for this storm. There is considerable uncertainty right now among the models, which is why the Storm Prediction Center hasn't drawn out any risk areas quite yet. I personally think that severe weather will be possible somewhere within this red outlined area that you see on the screen. As weather model trends change over the next several days, so will these outlooks. But as of now, I think the greatest chance of severe weather will happen somewhere from about northern Louisiana up into Kentucky. With the parameters in place that I mentioned earlier, such as rich dew points, warm temperatures, and very strong shear, damaging wind gusts along with tornadoes are most likely going to be the biggest threats, with some occurrences of large hail possible. This storm may also bring the next significant chance if a decent snowfall outside of the Rockies, and possibly bringing some snow to parts of the I-95 corridor and southeast New England. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, there is major disagreement within the models about exactly how much and who will get snow, so here is a map I made. Areas in the blue have a chance at seeing snowfall out of this system, and this takes into account the latest trends from multiple weather models. Since the uncertainty is very high, we won't be looking at the expected snowfall accumulations, since that will change countless times between now and next week. And that about wraps up today's video. If you did enjoy today's update and you want more updates about this potentially dangerous storm, it's much appreciated if you drop a like on the video and subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.